Howdy everybody. So this is the fourth time I filmed this video. So this video is going to be part 2 of the Amazon series. It's going to show you how to set up an Amazon seller account. We're going to walk you through it. I already been selling on Amazon for about a year, and I created another account yesterday so I can share it with you guys and gals, but I couldn't use that video because it was all my personal information. So we're going to walk you through it today, using phony credentials, just showing you how to do it so you can put in your stuff there to sell on Amazon if that's something you're interested in. So the first thing you're going to do is go to sell.amazon.com. I'm going to start a screen share right now so y'all can see where to go, what to do, that kind of thing. So go to sell.amazon.com, and you're going to need a few different things together. You're going to need a government ID such as driver's license or passport. You're going to need your checking account information. You're going to need a credit or debit card. Okay, you're going to need a phone number. You're going to need an Amazon customer account, so an account where you buy stuff from Amazon. If you don't have one, you can create you one. And you're going to need, I think that's it, your tax information. If you're a business or not, just have your tax information ready to go. And I think that's it, but we'll double check here in a minute. So when you go to sell.amazon.com, you're going to see become an Amazon seller, sign up, and it says $39.99 a month plus selling fees. Okay, there's two different plans Amazon has. They have the professional plan, which is $39.99 a month, or they have the individual plan, which is 99 cents per item. If you're just starting out and you're not planning on selling more than 40 items a month, okay, I would recommend the individual plan, because then you're only paying 99 cents per item plus your normal fees. If you go with a professional account and you only sell, say, 30 items a month, you're still paying $39.99 a month instead of $30 at the 99 cent, and so forth. So figure out how many items you're going to be selling to pick the right plan for you. We're going to do this video strictly on the basis of the individual plan, so less than 40 items a month. You can always upgrade once you see you're hitting 40 items consistently a month selling. Upgrade, save you some money. But basically they're the same thing. Walk you through whichever one you choose. Is basically the same principles we'll do for this video. So if you scroll on down, don't click the sign up right there where it says $39.99 a month, because then you'll be stuck into that plan. You'll have to downgrade it unless you're wanting to. But see right here under this thing, it says just have a few items to sell, sign up to become an individual seller. For this video, that's what we're going to do, so click that right there. Okay, so if you have an Amazon account, customer account where you buy stuff on Amazon, put it there. If you do not, see where it says new to Amazon next, click that, create your account. We'll end up at the same page. So I already got one I made up for this, so we're going to put Big Bubba Duke. Man, I can't spell. Bubba Duke at Yahoo. And then put your password in. You may have to do the passwords. It says if you want to add a mobile number here to safeguard your account, I would recommend that. It's two-step verification. But for this video, I'm going to skip that because I'm had to make a fake account. So here's what you're going to need. Before you start, it says please ensure you have the following handy. You're going to need your business and contact address, mobile or telephone number, a chargeable credit card, and your identity details. Okay, it would help if your bank statement or credit card statement, the billing address to that, and your ID all have the same address. If it don't, no issues. You may hit a little bit of a snag, but they'll contact you saying, hey, we need this, we need that, and so forth. So it says business location, select a country, so wherever you're at. We're in the United States, so I'm going to put that here. And then another drop down is going to pop up here. It says business type. Okay, this is important. So if you're a state-owned business, a publicly listed business, a privately owned business, a charity, or none. I'm an individual. Okay, so if you operate a reselling business, you have your license, you're legit doing this full time, or you're doing it part time but you're making a lot of money and you still have your business registered, you click that, privately owned business, and you'll put your business name as it appears on your documents right there. For this video though, since I already created the account with all that, we're going to do none. I'm an individual, meaning I'm a part-time seller. I'm just doing this as a hobby. I don't have a business license as my main source of income and so forth. So once you click that, you'll just type your name in. So let's just put Bubba Duke Hazard. Okay, and then agree and continue. Okay, so now we've started the process. Now we're at number 1, personal information for said name, country of citizenship. So wherever your citizenship is, I'm in the United States here. After I'm a citizen, so that's what I'm going to put. Country of birth, I was born in the United States. Your date of birth, we'll just make up one for this purpose. 1 January 1980 is good. Okay, now here's where you're going to need your passport or your driver's license. So select which one you're going to use. We're going to use a driver's license. Type in your driver's license number. We're just going to make up one here. And the expiration date as it appears on your license or passport, however you want to do it. Country of issue, wherever it's issued from, your passport or license. United States for us. Okay, now it says business address. So this is if you're doing it regular, if you're a business, if you're doing it privately, you're just not really a business. Put in the address where you get mail and you'll have access to get the mail. I haven't done this in a while, so it says we will validate this address by sending you a postcard containing a verification code. I don't know if you can do that or choose to receive a pin through call. I just put them both in there just in case you can't be too safe. So let's just make up an address here. So put your address where you get mail. We're just making one up the road here. And then also do this, receive a pin through SMS, which is a text message, or a call, whichever you prefer. Put your phone number in. And then when you're done with that, next. Okay, now we're on number 2, marketplace specific details. Okay, if you was doing the $39.99 professional plan, okay, you would have, instead of just North America here, you would have options for Japan, Europe, North America, and maybe one other one, I'm not sure, but you can check them off as you see them. This one's just North America. We don't need to do anything because that's where we want to sell. So next. Alrighty, billing information. This is where you're going to need a debit or credit card because they're going to verify it's an active account. Okay, and everything's lining up with your name, address, and so forth. So you're going. Okay, so once you do that, now store information, store name. This is your user ID for Amazon, such as your eBay store name, Mercari store name. So pick you a store name. We're going to put Big Bubba's Shop. Okay, it'll check to see if it's available. That one's, how's that not available? I'll try Big Bubba's. Big Bubba's is available, so we'll use that. Do you have UPCs for all your products? Depends on what you're selling. Generally though, the answer would be yes. It really doesn't matter which one you choose here, but we're going to say yes because most of the products we're going to sell does have UPCs, and if not, we'll create our own later on. Are you a manufacturer or brand owner? Meaning, do you have a private label, or are you the owner of a certain brand that you want to sell on Amazon? Probably if you're doing this, you're probably not, but if you are, you can click yes, but we're just going to click no because we're not. And next, and we'll keep waiting. Okay, so now we are at number 5. This right here is very important. You want to check all your information, okay? Make sure everything you put in there is right. Everything is correctly listed. Now, whatever identity data you used, your passport or your ID, you have to upload an image of the front and the back, even if the back side is blank. Now, when you click on this, it'll say you can upload a photo of it or something like that. I have found when I've done this, if you just take a picture of it and upload it, they're going to kick that back to you and say it's no good. 9 times out of 10, that'll be what happens. You can try it and check your email, because they will send you an email saying, hey, we could not accept this. They'll give the reason why, and you fix it and resubmit it. I have found it's much easier if you take your driver's license, scan it into your computer or scan it in somehow, and upload the scanned front and back image there. They'll take it better than the back. I mean, if you just photo it. So, just to make it easy, do whichever one you want, but if they kick it back, just scan it in front and back and upload the front and back image there. Okay? Next thing they're going to need, you can choose between 2 different things. You can choose right here. See, it says additional documents. You can choose your bank account statement or your credit card statement. Now you can block out your numbers, like balances, account number, block some of that out with marker if you don't want them to see it. I mean, that's understandable. They need to make sure your name, billing address, and all that lines up. Same thing with this. Try not to take a picture of it or a screenshot, because they will not accept it. You need to print it off, scan it in, and submit it. It's much easier. They'll accept it much quicker. So choose which one of them you want to do and then upload that document. Once you do those 2 things and you got them uploaded, click submit. When you click submit, it's going to take about 60 seconds to accept all the stuff, and that's it. Then you have to wait on Amazon to verify everything you've submitted and accept it. This can take anywhere from an hour up to 2 or 3 days. Okay, make sure you answer your phone if you get any weird numbers, just in case it's Amazon reaching out to you, and check your email, because generally if there's a problem with a document or they need clarification, they will send you an email, and then you just log back in to the same website we're on now, resubmit the documents if they ask for them, and wait again. Sometimes it's a smooth process. Sometimes they'll kick one item back, or they'll kick both of them back, and you just, whatever they need, you submit it. Once you do that and you get approved, they will send you an email saying, hey, everything is approved. You're now good to go to sell on Amazon. Okay, now you have an Amazon seller account. Alrighty, guys and gals, so now you want to log in to your app store and type in Amazon seller app, and it'll pull one up, and you see this one right here with the black with the open next to it. Get that one right there. Once you log in on the app, this is going to be the screen you see. Basically, it just says Amazon sellers, got the American flag for our marketplace up the top. It says your business is now launched on Amazon. Congratulations, learn how to get your first order. And it's got a little bar graph, sales so far, and some different little buttons you can click on down at the bottom. So our Amazon account is now made. We can now start to sell on Amazon. We're going to stop this part 2 video of making an account here, because our account is now created and you're now officially able to sell on Amazon. So part 3 is going to pick up on how do you start. What do you do now? How do we do it? We start scanning stuff or what? So we're going to pick up on part 3 of that in the next video and walk you through even further. But you can get on yourself and just kind of mess around with it, learn it a little bit, and go from there. So that's it as far as making the account goes. Hopefully that walked you through it good enough. Like I say, I don't know if they'll send you a card to your business address. I can't remember. But if they do, just verify it. And that's basically it. So hopefully this helped you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys and gals on the next part It'll probably be doing these videos every Sunday, so part 3 will be out next Sunday. So I'm not sure yet. We'll figure that out. Just make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, that way you know when part 3 comes out, and we'll see y'all then. Take care, everybody.